Okay, so, did you, like, even do any of the homework lately?
No. I did the reading writing.
It's like Saturday, so it doesn't even matter.
Yeah, well, Miss Janik, if you're watching this, which you probably are, so just for the teacher. Hold on.
Wow.
That's my mom.
Oh, seriously?
Hey, Mom, what's up?
Yeah, no, I like her too. She's pretty awesome. She's crazy.
My mom's here.
Okay.
Okay, bye,
Alright,
Mom.
see ya. Oh.
I gotta get my stuff and then I'll go. Oh, okay.
Alright, we'll meet you there. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. I like her a lot. She's pretty cool.
Yeah.
No, we're talking about Miss Jan.
Oh. Alright.
Alright, see you, Caroline.
Okay, bye, guys. Bye, Caroline.
Bye, Caroline. Hi, Jody.
Hi.
Hi. See you, Caroline. Wait, can you come over after the dinner? Okay. Alright. Oh, God. See ya. Cat. Bye.
Bye.